Change the camera's frequency band to 2.4 GHz. Then, open the device connection interface. Check and note down the password shown on this screen. Do not close this screen yet. Now perform the Wi-Fi connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, tap External Device Connection, then select and turn on Wi-Fi. In the Add New Device, select the local device. After entering the password, tap OK. Wait a moment. The camera will pop up a pairing completed screen. Click Confirm to finish pairing. When the monitor displays the control panel, it means the camera has connected successfully. When you open the monitor next time and need to connect to the camera, you do not need to re-enter the password. Simply go to the My Devices section, find the camera device, and click Connect. Tap Rec starts or stops video recording on the camera. When the camera is set to still photo mode, tap the shutter button, triggers the shutter. Tap Iris, adjusts the aperture value. Tap Shutter, adjusts the shutter speed. Tap ISO, adjusts the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus in AF mode, enables touch focus and touch tracking directly on the monitor. Tap Camera Mode to switch between camera modes. Tap WB, selects or changes the white balance mode. When white balance is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto or the camera is in automatic modes, tap EV to adjust the exposure compensation value.